Hey guys, Tyler here with API Nation, here today to show you how to sync ShopBoss with QuickBooks Online to get all of those repair orders, part sales, and payments synced right on over into your QuickBooks automatically. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your ShopBoss account at shopbosspro.com. This is the only way to set up this integration. If you're already an existing API Nation customer, you will not be able to set it up going through our app store. And that's because we've got a very special connection set up with ShopBoss to make life far easier for you guys. So go ahead and punch in your Shop ID, choose your user, and select your password just like you would normally. And as soon as you're into ShopBoss, you'll be able to see that you've got the accounting section on the left-hand side. When you click accounting, it'll bring you on over to a page that includes QuickBooks. So click on QuickBooks and you will see right here that you can create your API Nation account through ShopBoss just like that. So what you want to do is click on that big green button right there, create API Nation account. Now, once you've got that all set up, it'll take you right on through setup, which will allow you to go ahead and connect your QuickBooks Online account. So you can go and pick your company, the proper company that you'd like to choose. And then you can go on through and select any of the settings that you'd like to use for your integration as well. So you'll pick that account that you just selected there, click next. And on this page, you'll be able to select a couple of different options that we've got right here. So first we've got the income account, and that income account, guys, is going to be where all of your sales from your products and your parts and your labor, for all of this income is going to be accounted for in QuickBooks. You're going to want to pick whatever income account is what you're looking for. So we'll pick uncategorized income right here. That's typically a pretty good choice. We have this allow $0 repair orders and part sales option that is unselected by default. And what that means is that if you guys have any $0 repair orders or $0 part sales coming through for any of those partnerships that you've got with other customers of yours, we will not be tracking those in QuickBooks. If you do want to see your $0 repair orders or part sales, make sure this box is checked. But by default, we are not going to be looking for those. And if they come through, we will be ignoring them. Now, on the other side, we've got this Use ShopBoss Taxes option that is selected by default. And what that means is that we are going to take the tax calculation from ShopBoss, and we're going to use that in QuickBooks, and we're going to tell QuickBooks not to do that tax calculation for us. Now, if you want to go ahead and uncheck the ShopBoss tax option there, you'll see a warning, and that's because QuickBooks is not quite as good at calculating that tax as ShopBoss is. So if you do decide to use the QuickBooks tax instead, you will see a difference of anywhere from a penny to a couple of pennies on all of your ROs coming through. They're not going to match ShopBoss 100%, and we know that causes problems for a lot of you guys. So our recommendation is always that you're using the ShopBoss taxes. And if you decide not to use ShopBoss tax, please consult with your accountant and make sure you know exactly what you're doing. Now with that, I'm going to go ahead and click subscribe and start sync. Nice and easy. It's going to ask us for our payment information. All right, and just like that, as soon as you've gotten through with that payment information, you'll see that you've got 2 new workflows in API Nation. And hey, that's it. We hope that the QuickBooks Online and ShopBoss integration through API Nation does everything that you need it to. We're super excited to get this in your hands. And please, if you need any help, call our support staff. We really love doing this stuff.